Have I told you about the giveaway?
Yeah, man, I got the T-shirt on.
Right. So if you guys don't know what Eric already did know is you can enter right now to win a full build from Custom Offsets. So what do I mean by that? We're talking wheels, tires, suspension, labor, hotel stay, the rental car, everything. We're throwing absolutely everything in. So it's any size, any finish from XD KMC wheels. We got ReadyLIFT for the suspension, Nitto on the tires, Black Label lighting, Custom Offsets obviously bringing everybody together to get it built at Offsets Garage, and it's gonna be absolutely awesome. So all you gotta do if you want to get entered is come on out, grab the shirt, customoffsets.com/giveaway. This is it. That's gonna get you automatically entered to win that full build giveaway package. We're calling this the American Dream giveaway because we got the American flag on the front, and every American needs to be owning and driving a lifted truck. At least we think so. So this is the front of the shirt. This is the back of the shirt with all the sponsors. I'll spin it around one more time to tell you at the end of this contest, we're also making a contribution to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. So I think we're at like $14,000 right now, or almost $14,000. We set a goal of $20,000. A lot of that money is coming from you guys that are chipping in extra. So we, at the end of this, are gonna make a huge contribution, and every single one of you that grabs a shirt, you're helping us do that. But if you wanna throw an extra, you always can. We're doing this all for the kids. So if you don't know, St. Jude's Children's Hospital, basically, it's all about fighting childhood cancer, preventing it, finding cures, and no child leaves there with a bill, which is something that's super, super awesome. And we're pumped to stand behind those guys and also get you a cool shirt and get you entered for the giveaway, plus help those guys out. So you have now until September 26th. That's gonna be the last day to buy a shirt, and that's also gonna be the day that we go live at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So, like I said, customoffsets.com/giveaway. That's where you find the shirt. That's where you get automatically entered to win. Peace.